Hi friends, my name is Miss Maggie and I will be teaching you how to make a bristle bot. This is the bristle bot that I used for a reference. For this project you will need one vibrating motor, one button cell battery, one toothbrush, 2 craft eyes if you'd like, 2 pipe cleaners, and double-sided tape. I got most of my materials from Amazon, but I also could find them at a convenience store or they were already in my home. So first I got one of the smallest button batteries you could, but it might work with a bigger battery. You just have to investigate that on your own if you'd like. Then the motor I got off of Amazon. That is probably the easiest place you will find it. Toothbrush I already had at home, but you're going to take pliers and you're going to cut it about right here where it connects to the handle. I got double-sided tape off of Amazon. I suggest using something stronger like hot glue or duct tape because the double-sided tape doesn't hold very well. Lastly are going to be your decorative pieces. So you are going to take 2 pipe cleaners. You're going to cut a small piece off of each one, and then you are going to bend them over your toothbrush to make them look like little legs. And then you can also glue googly eyes on the front to make it look like a robot. I began by cutting the toothbrush with pliers, then using double-sided tape I attached the motor with the wires facing the top of the toothbrush. Then I used more tape to tape the red wire to the top of the battery and the blue wire to the bottom of the battery. In the end, your bot should work something like this. While my bristle bot didn't turn out exactly how I wanted to, it teaches children how to problem solve and how to build a simple circuit.